English modal verbs, making offers with can, could, shall, and will. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive into the world of English modal verbs and see how they function to make offers. Specifically, we'll be focusing on the verbs can, could, shall, and will. Modal verbs might seem tricky at first, but they are very powerful tools once you get the hang of them. So, let's jump right in. First, let's understand what modal verbs are. In English, modal verbs are a small group of verbs which are used to express ability, possibility, permission, or obligation. Today, we'll see how 4 of these verbs, can, could, shall, and will, are used to make offers. Now, let's look at our first 2 modal verbs, can and could. Both of these can be used to make offers, but they are used in slightly different contexts. Can is used to make an offer in a more casual or informal context. For example, can I help you with that? Could, on the other hand, is a more polite way to offer help or services. For instance, could I assist you with your luggage? Moving on to the next 2 modal verbs, shall and will. Again, both can be used to make offers, but with a little difference. Shall is a bit more formal and is typically used in British English to make offers or suggestions. For example, shall I open the window for you? Will, conversely, is used when you're confident that the offer will be accepted. It's a more direct, confident way to make an offer. For example, I will carry those bags for you. Now that we've seen how these modal verbs can be used to make offers, it's time for you to practice. Try to make your own sentences using can, could, shall, and will. The more you practice, the better you'll get. That wraps up our lesson on using modal verbs to make offers. Hopefully, you now feel more confident about making offers in English using can, could, shall, and will. Remember, practice is key to mastering any language. So keep practicing and you'll be making perfect offers in no time. Thank you for joining us, and see you in the next lesson.